Hello guys, let us take a look at this question. It says, what is the maximum wavelength line in the Lyman series of helium plus ion? So first of all, okay, what is Lyman series? Okay, what happens in Lyman series? In Lyman series, okay, the value of N1 is equal to what? 1. And N2 can be anything that's greater than 2, greater than equal to 2, right? So if I have, okay, something like this, okay, if this is the spectrum, say, right? And now, okay, so if this is n1, okay, then the value of n1 is equal to 1. Okay, n2 can be anything. Okay, n2 can be equal to 2, n2 can also be equal to 3, n2 can be equal to 4. Okay, or anything. Okay, n2 basically is greater than equal to 2, right? But n1 is fixed. N1 is equal to 1. When n1 is equal to 1, okay, and n2 is greater than equal to 2. So a transition that is happening from here to here, here to here, or here to here, okay, they're all going to be in the Lyman series, right? So now what they are saying in the question, they are saying that, okay, we have to find the maximum wavelength line in the Lyman series. And for which ion? We have to find for helium. Okay, so first of all, what we know is, okay, what is energy? What is the formula for energy? Energy is hc by lambda, right? Means energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. Okay, it is inversely proportional. That means if energy increases, lambda is going to decrease, and similarly, if energy decreases, then lambda is going to be maximum, right? So in the question, we want maximum wavelength. Okay, so if wavelength is maximum, energy will be minimum. So for minimum energy, what do you need? You need which transition? N2 to N. So energy here is the least, right? Energy here, E1, suppose this is E1, this is E2. So E1 will be the smallest amount of energy. E2 is more energy. E3 is even more energy. So from higher to, as you go higher levels, okay, the transition goes to N2, N3. From N3 to, it is happening to N1, or from N2 is equal to 4 if it is happening, okay, then more energy is needed. So the least energy is needed from N2 is equal to 2, right? So this is the least energy, right, here. So we want maximum wavelength, so we want minimum energy. That is the main concept. So now, okay, you know that, okay, wavelength will be maximum. So basically we found out what is the value of N2, right? That is all that we need. We need N1, N2, and we need Z. And we can find out what is the wavelength, because we know, okay, the difference in the energy, okay, if you'll apply, we get this formula, right? 1 by lambda is equal to R Z square 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. Okay, this formula I think you know, right? So in order to find this wavelength lambda, okay, what we needed was these three variables, right? What are the three variables that we needed? We needed this Z, but Z is already given in the question, right? N1, okay, is already given in the question because they have given that Lyman series. So N1 is equal to 1, okay? And another thing, Z. So Z is equal to 2. They have already given the question. So two things were already given. What we had to find was N2. So N2 we found out, okay, from this concept, okay, that they are asking maximum wavelength. Maximum wavelength means minimum energy, okay, and minimum energy will be when the transition from N2 to N1, right? So that is how we found out Z, N1 and N2. Now, okay, what we need to do is we just need to substitute these values and we will get our answer. So let's quickly do that. Okay, I'll just erase this part. Okay, let me just change the slide. Okay, something happened. Anyway, let me just undo. What happened? Okay, so I'll just erase this part and then we'll see, okay, what we are getting the answer. So let's do this and let's write down, okay, what our answer is. So it's going to be 1 by lambda is equal to R into Z square. So Z is equal to 2, so it will be 2 square, and 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square, right? So this is what we are getting. So this will be what? 1 by lambda is equal to 4 into R into, and 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, here 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled and we get 1 by lambda is equal to 3R. Right? So what is lambda? lambda is in just revert this. Okay, I'm writing here. So lambda becomes 1 by 3r. So this will be the maximum value for lambda, or maximum value of wavelength. So our answer becomes 1 by 3r. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.